Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the "you can't link your partner" error on the Flow app. Alright, let's begin. First, press and hold onto the Flow app icon on your device's home screen. From the menu that appears, select App Info. A window will open up showing the app details. In this window, locate and tap on the force stop icon at the bottom left corner. A confirmation message will appear. Select OK to confirm. Next, tap on the Storage tab at the top of the window. Here, you will see an option to clear data. Tap on this icon at the bottom and then select Clear Cache. Now, close this window and open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your device. In the search bar, type Flow and search for the app. Check if there is an update available for the Flow app. If an update is available, make sure to install it. After updating the app, or if no update is available, try linking your partner again. This should now be resolved. So that's basically how you can fix the "you can't link your partner" error on the Flow app. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.